So there's a movement in Chen style Tai Chi specifically called lazy about tying the coat. It's normally done on the right, but since he's on my left, it's the same sort of thing where it's a step in and
oh, that's
over.
crazy. Yeah.
And the difference here is when I step in, I'm trying to get my body all the way into his. So I may be protecting myself, but really,
oh yeah,
here.
And I could feel that. If anything, I mean, he's going to throw me over, but he's definitely going to send me off balance backwards.
Right. If I happen to be able to get it, say he throws a jab at the same time, if I can get in here and get any kind of hold on it, it becomes this.
Oh wow.
So it's not just dumping him over my leg, I also have this elbow lock. Okay?
Oh wow.
And if I want to get really nasty, I get down here and get a couple of fingers. Okay.
Absolutely.
And I've still got this hand here to protect me. So if he's trying to get in here, do anything, I've got this to protect me. I can actually even grab him by the ear.
I'm pretty locked up here though if he just arches. So so we want to show that like with the jab, like fast real quick.
If I can do it,
Here? Oh, absolutely.
Okay, and I'm not right up against his leg, but it really doesn't matter once I get this.
Oh yeah.
Because I can move in. So I've got this lift, I've got this lock, I've got something going sideways on the wrist if I want to, and I can separate the fingers, which we'll get into in another video.
Perfect. Yeah, that's impressive. And this is just an example how martial arts styles are very similar in certain areas. They're very different, but very, very similar in certain situations.
A lot of
it's very cool to see the
shared
relations.
technique.
Absolutely.